glorious Razer Viper V3 Pro in full detail. We'll be comparing all variants and highlighting the key differences between each version of the mouse. The biggest thing to be aware of is that the coating feels completely different on each version. Both the Sentinels and Gengar Editions were limited releases, though you can still find them for sale today. Let's first look at the Sentinels Edition. This version has the best QC on clicks and the most spammable M1 and M2 of all units. The coating feels like a light, clear coat. It is a mix of smooth and slightly slippery, but once I'm using it in-game, it sticks to my hand very well. Next up, we have the Gengar Edition. This has been my favorite mouse for quite some time now, and my go-to as a main for FPS games. The coating is rubberized and grippy. It literally sticks to my hand while playing. Clicks are slightly less spammable than on the Sentinels. Next, we have my least favorite version of the mouse in the black colorway. The coating here is very slippery and the clicks are the worst of all units by far. To be honest, the black version feels like a different mouse, and I would not recommend it. Now we have the white version. The coating on this mouse is extremely rubberized, even more so than Gengar. The extra rubber coating does create some muddiness on M1 and M2. The rubber does really help with grip, and the mouse will stick to your hand very well in-game. Finally, we have my personal favorite, which is a custom-painted Dragon's Den V3 Pro. The coating here is an automotive clear coat which sticks to my hand like glue in-game. It truly is magnificent. The paint job is outstanding, and instantly became one of my favorite mice in my collection. All of the versions come with a black dongle, except for the white, which has the matching white dongle. There is some weight variance between the units. The white comes in at 56 grams with everything stock. If you swap to dot skates, which I've done on my black Gengar and Sentinels, you can reduce down to 51 or 52 grams. If you're looking to buy the mouse, I recommend either the Sentinels or Gengar as the top choices. Subscribe to my channel to stay on the cutting edge.